Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Leominster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 STX. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 2.7-liter engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 19-inch aluminum wheels and hand-cooked tires, as well as black handles and black mirror caps. This 2021 F-150 also comes with remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have a driver-friendly featuring power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings at the door storage. Make your way into the cabin, you'll see your lovely black cloth seating with adjustments located on the side. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, with our cruise control option on the left and our medium hatchback option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror on the other cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2021 F-150, you can see it has 56,460 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, the options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, application, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2021 Ford F-150 STX, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.